Hello there, my name is Musa the Giant from Durban, South Africa. Welcome to another Getting Started with Cryptocurrency video tutorial. On this video tutorial, what I would like to do is to show you exactly how Luno wallets work. Alright, so without any further ado, let's get to the meat and potatoes. Now, before we even dive right in, you might be asking yourself, why should you listen to me? I mean, who is Musa the Giant? Well, one of the reasons why you might want to listen to me is because I have taught over 28,000 people how Bitcoin works, how to get started with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as well. You can see that this video was uploaded in November 2017. So I've been in the cryptocurrency space for quite some time. So I know what I'm talking about. So if 28,000 people could listen to me, you might as well listen to me as well, right? So let's get started. So let's just say you are new to cryptocurrencies. The first thing that you want to have is a Bitcoin wallet, right? Now, so how do you go about creating a Bitcoin wallet? Well, it's very easy. What you're going to have to do is to click the link below this video. And once you have done that, you'll be redirected to a page like this one here. And what is going to happen is that when you register with my link, as you can see, it says Musa the Giant has shared their invite code with you. So this means that this is my referral link. So when you click on that link and then buy Bitcoins that are worth 500 rands or more, both of us are going to get Bitcoins that are worth 25 rands for free. All right, so that's a win-win situation right there. So once you have done that, once you have clicked the link below this video, then you're gonna have to click the sign up button, this button here. Once you have done that, you will have a sign up form. You just enter your email address there and then enter your super secure password here, and you need to make sure that you follow these instructions here. Your password should be at least 8 characters long or more, one number, one symbol, and one uppercase letter. So you need to make sure that your password is secure and very long, but easier for you to remember. And then check this button here for you to be able to receive news and tips and promos, and indicate which country you are from. And then after that, just click on the sign up button. Now, once you have signed up, you need to download the Luno app. It could be either using the App Store or Google Play. Just download the Luno app. And then once you have downloaded it, and then just sign into your new Luno account. All right, so now when you log in for the first time in your brand new account, what you're going to have to do is to enter your cell phone number there. You can see that they have already entered the prefix. So I just need to enter the rest of the numbers in there and then click the next button. And then Luno will send you an SMS to verify your number. So check your SMS and enter the number that they would have sent to you. In my case, they sent me 7735 and press enter. And then it says mission successful. So now you need to set up your profile. So simply enter your information here, your first name, exactly the way it appears on your documents, on your ID book. So just enter your information here, verify your profile, make sure that everything is correct. Click next and complete this process. It's very easy and straightforward, okay? All right, so now once you have done the basic verification, when you log back into your Luno app, or if you go to luno.com and log into your account, what you would see an interface like this one here, right? Now, what you need to do is to go to wallets. And when you click on wallets, you should be able to see all your Bitcoin wallets, all your wallets, for instance, your Bitcoin wallet, Bitcoin Cash wallet, Ethereum wallet, and your ZAR wallet. If you only see the Bitcoin wallet, it means that you haven't done the verification, right? So in that case, what would you do? You would need to go to your profile, click on profile, and then scroll down to the settings section. When you get there, just click on change settings. And then when you scroll down, make sure that you complete your information here, put your information here, and then click on verification. So when you click on verification, it will allow you to be able to upload your ID copy, take your selfie holding your ID book, and so on and so forth. So once you have done that, then you should be able to move from one level of verification to the next level of verification. For example, from level 1, level 2, and level 3, all right, depending on which documents you have submitted. In my case, you can see that I have done all the levels, so I am fully verified. So once you have done that, when you go back to wallets, If you are using a smartphone or a tablet, these tabs, especially the wallet tab, is going to be displayed at the bottom of your screen. So once once you are fully verified, then you'll be able to add more wallets. You'll be able to see more wallets, right? Now that you have a Bitcoin account that you created for free, no one can shut it down, no one can freeze it. You can send money to anyone, anywhere in the world, any time of the day or night. How do you go about putting money into your Bitcoin wallet? Because now the next step is to send money from your bank account into your Luno account. Now, the steps are very simple. Now, what you're going to have to do is to click on the ZA wallet, and then click on deposit, and then they're going to display two banks here, Standard Bank and FNB. Regardless of what bank you are using, you can either click on FNB or Standard Bank, even if you are banking with ABSA and other banks. It doesn't matter, but it works very well and very fast if you are using a FNB account as well, right? So in my case, I'm using FNB, so I'll just click on FNB and then indicate how much you want to deposit. In my case, I will be depositing just 500 Rand for demonstration purposes, and then click on next. And once you have done that, they will show you the bank details that you need to do in order to send money from your bank to your Luno account. Now, make 100% sure that you use this exact information to send money from your bank to your Luno account. All right. So you're going to take this information and add Luno as one of your recipients in your bank. For instance, I'm using FNB. I will add Luno as my recipient, so that it's going to be easy for me to pay and have money sent from my account to my Luno account. So let's just go ahead and do that. All right, so now I am on fnb.co.za. So what I will do is I will log in into my FNB account. By the way, if you are watching this and you are not in South Africa, if Luno is not supported in your country, you can try Coinbase or local Bitcoins. The links are going to be below this video. But in my case, I'm in South Africa. I am going to be logging into my bank account now, and then I will take things from there. All right, so I will just go to accounts. And then, as I said, I have already added Luno as one of my recipients. So if in your case, if you haven't done that, do that first. So in my case, I already done that. So I will just go to pay, and then I will indicate that I want to pay from, okay, I'll indicate that I want to pay Luno. So here is Luno. And make sure that you use the exact reference that they gave you. Remember that when you were indicating that you want to pay money to your Luno account, they gave you this reference. They gave you, actually, they gave it to you twice. You can see that it also appears here. So make sure that you double check this. This is very, very, very important. All right. So in my case, everything is there. So now I need to indicate how much I want to pay. It's 500 Rand for this demonstration. And I will go ahead and click on pay. All right. So do I really want to do this? Yes, I want to confirm I want to do that. So successful. So I will just click on finish, and then switch back to my Luno account, and then scroll down, and then I will click this button that says I've made a deposit. Right now, what is going to happen is that when I go back to my wallet, and sure enough, my 500 Rand is there now. It took literally a second. It happened instantly, because Luno is banking with FNB. I am also banking with FNB. But if you are banking with Capitec, with ABSA and other banks, or your money might take a couple of hours to maybe to even a day before it appears here. So it's easier to use FNB. You might consider to opening an FNB account in order for your stuff to work very quickly. All right. So now that I have rands in my ZA wallet, what is the next step? Well, the next step is very easy. Now I need to convert my rands into Bitcoin. I will need to, in other words, I need to buy Bitcoin. So how do I go about doing that? I just click on the buy button and then indicate which currency I want to buy. I don't want to buy Ethereum for now. I just want to buy Bitcoin, right? And then from which wallet? From the ZA wallet. In other words, I'm buying Bitcoins with rands. How much do I want to use? Because I have 500 Rands. In my case, I want to use the maximum. And then I click on next. And then this is the confirmation that I want to buy Bitcoins. So I'm going to receive this amount of Bitcoins, and the network is going to charge me about 10 rands, 2% of my 500 rands. And I need to click the confirm button. And because I'm using two-factor authentication to protect my Luno account, I need to enter the verification code to indicate that I am the real person. I am the owner of this account. In my case, they gave me 396001, and sure enough, mission success. Now let's just click on done and quickly go back to wallets. Now you can see that I no longer have rands. I only have 1 cent in my ZAR wallet. But if you take a look at my Bitcoin wallet, I have now Bitcoins that are worth 490 rands. As you can see, that's how easy it is to buy Bitcoins with Luno, right? So even if you wanted to buy Bitcoin Cash or Ethereum, you would follow the exact same steps, but you would have to indicate which cryptocurrency you want to buy. In my case, I specifically wanted to buy Bitcoin. Now, let us say now I need my money. I need to cash out. I need to send my money from my Luno wallet back to my FNB account. Now, the first thing that I need to do in order for me to be able to do that, I need to convert my Bitcoins back into rands. Now, how do I go about doing that? It is very much easy. You just click on the sell button and then indicate which cryptocurrency you want to sell. In my case, I want to sell Bitcoin. I want to sell it to for ZAR, and I want to sell all of it. So I will just click the max button and then click on next. Again, this is the verification. They're gonna charge me another 10 rands for doing this. So I'll receive 480 now. So click on confirm, and I need to enter that code again to verify that I am the right person to do this transaction. So let me go back to my app right here. This time they gave me 291887 and mission success. So if I go back to my wallet, now you can see that I no longer have Bitcoins, but if you take a look at my ZAR wallet, you can see that I have 481 rands. Now I can be able to withdraw my money from my Luno back to my bank. So how do I do that? I just click on the ZAR wallet and then click on withdraw and indicate which bank account I want to use. In your case, you might be having a blank page here because you might have not added your banking details. So in that case, you would have to click on add new bank details and then just add your bank details so that your money moves from your Luno account back to your bank account. So in my case, I want to use this account here, and I need to indicate how much I want to withdraw. I want to withdraw 480 bucks. You can put some notes here if you want, but in my case, I will just leave it blank and then click on next. This is the verification. So this time around, I'm going to be charged 8.50 to do this withdrawal. So as a result, I will receive only 472 rands in my bank account. So I'm happy with that. Let me just click on confirm. Again, I need to enter that code again. So this time is different. It's going to be 870 and 872 and click on. And then as you can see, mission success. So now if I go back to my wallet, you would notice that I no longer have Bitcoins, I no longer have rands because I just made a withdrawal. If I go into my emails, I can see that I have just received an email from Luno indicating that I have withdrawn this amount of money, and it will be in my account within the next few hours because I'm banking with FNB. But if you're banking with a different bank, it's going to take longer, right? So you might want to use FNB if you want your things to move faster and smoother, right? So yeah, basically that's how Luno wallet work. And remember to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss my future videos as well. Just continue learning. And that's it for this video. My name is Musa the Jan from Durban, South Africa. Thank you for watching. Let's get this crypto.